Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Epic Mentorship. In today's video, I want to share with you how to create a video in Canva with some little animations and audio so that we can have something like this. So it's very easy to start with. We can just pick in anything, and let's say for this part we're creating a presentation video, and you can come to elements all the way. You can come to frames and select all, see all. You can come down here and we can click on this phone icon, and it will just automatically be inserted into our Canva. Okay, so the next thing is we can resize it to our liking until you are fully satisfied with it. It's usually the 16:9 dimension for TikTok. For YouTube shorts, you can use it as well if you want. So what I will do, I'm going to import a video and I will put it in this so that it looks like you're watching it on the phone directly. So I can come to my upload. I can go straight to upload a file, and I can navigate to this file, this video over here, and just upload it and click on open to upload it. Okay, I've already uploaded it, so it's here on my videos, and I'll just drag and drop it in this. And you can see it. I can double click on the video to reposition it until I am satisfied with the position as it appears on the phone. So it appears fully okay when I am playing it. So I can try to play a preview of it to have an idea. Okay, so you can do so many things. You can cut around the video. It's a 52 seconds video. You can click around and you can cut accordingly. You can try to cut to some part, to a specific part of the video, and then once you're done, you can play it to see, to test it. And once you're done, you click on done here, and it's going to play only this part that you've selected. Okay, you can say done, for example. Okay, once you can crop the video, you can flip it, you can put some animation as well if you want. You can put in the rise, and you can put in the pan, the tumble, and there's some that are paid, but I think you can go a long way with the free version. So you can put in this fade. So you can come to this three dot. You can lock changes, and you can duplicate the video. You can put in the position all the way, and then you can put in some transparency. If you want to play around with the transparency, you can make the video a bit transparent, or you can make it 100% transparent, and you can play around with the volumes as well. Okay, you can get the link to share with others. Down here you can add a fresh page, so you can put in another video of your choice, any video you want. So back here you have a bunch of options. So let's say we're going with this video and we want to put in some music to it. So all you need to do is to come over to audio here, and you can select on any music that you want to put. For example, I like this Epic, and once you click on it, it's already captured in the video. So, and it's going to cover the total length of the video. So the coverage is automatically assigned to the total length of the video. So you are free to move it to any location. Maybe you want the audio to start from here. Yeah, so you can move it to here, or you can move it towards the end, depending on your choice. So you're free to play around with it. And once you're done playing around with all the settings, you can put in some animation as well. So let's try to put some animation. Come back to elements, and let's say we search for this blob liquids. There are some that are very, very interesting that we can easily put. For example, this one over here, we can easily drag and drop it, and then we can resize according to our liking. Okay, you can resize it and see how it's going to be moving. Okay, so this will come in your presentation as we are delivering it. But if you don't like this, you can put in many more others. You can see them around. For example, I usually prefer this one, so we can delete this, and then we can bring in this one. All right, this one looks like the Champions League, the celebration award. So you can bring in this and resize it to your liking, and you can even put some animation if you like. You can animate it. You can put this as part of a video, and You can do so many things with it, or you can put in so many animations depending on what you have in mind and what kind of image you have. You can check around, and this is all. You can check on photos, you can go to graphics and see what you can really add, a lot of them, and you can check videos also if you want. So there's so many things to add here, and once you're done, you're satisfied with it, you have added the number of clips or the number of pages that you want, and you're satisfied fully with this, then you can try to play a preview from here by just clicking on this present, and you can say present. Okay, I think that looks kind of cool and fantastic. So once you're done, you're satisfied with it, you come over here and click on this download. You can come to standard, suggested this is going to be PDF. Okay, so assuming I'm going to go for MP4 video, it's just going to be an MP4 video. So you can just click on download directly, and your download is going to start here immediately. Okay, so once it finishes the download, you can just right click over here and say show in folder where it downloaded, and you can see it over here, and you can just click directly to see it looks kind of cool and fantastic. So it's a very easy way to create very interesting, incredible, and even animated videos from Canva, and it's for free. So ladies and gentlemen, if you have enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and always hit the like and subscribe button to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos like this. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.